Hello, everyone. My name is Lily. I'm 22 years old, and today I want to tell you about the two most important people in my life, my parents. I was born and raised in Wellington, New Zealand, and my parents have always been my anchor. My father's name is Daniel, and my mother's name is Sophia. Dad is 51 now, and Mom is 49. They're not just my parents, they're my heroes. My father is tall with short dark brown hair and wears glasses. He always has this warm, reassuring smile. He's incredibly intelligent and works as a mechanical engineer. Ever since I was little, he's been the one to fix anything, whether it was a broken toy, my bicycle, or more recently, my car. He's calm, patient, and logical even during the most stressful moments, and I've always admired him for that. My mother, Sophia, is a bit shorter than Dad. She has long chestnut hair and a grace about her that makes everyone feel at ease. She teaches literature at a local high school, and she loves helping her students discover a passion for reading and writing. She is one of the most selfless people I've ever known, always thinking of others before herself. At home, she's always busy, making sure everything is running smoothly. And her cooking? It's incredible. Her signature dish is her homemade chicken pot pie. It's my favorite and tastes like comfort and love. Growing up, I was very close to my parents. They've always supported me in everything, from school plays to university applications. Dad always tells me, work hard and don't give up no matter what. And when he says it, I believe I can do anything. Mom often reminds me, be kind, even when it's hard, because she believes kindness is the greatest strength a person can have. I still remember our family trips, whether it was to the beaches of the North Island or road trips to nearby towns. Those are some of my most cherished memories. Dad would always drive, while Mom packed sandwiches and snacks for the road. We'd sing along to songs, talk, and laugh. Those simple moments made me feel safe and loved. Now that I'm older and studying at university, I don't live at home anymore, but I visit every week. I still need them, especially on tough days. When I'm overwhelmed with classes or work, I call Mom. She always listens patiently and gives the best advice. When I run into trouble with tech stuff or need help fixing something, Dad's always just a call away. Weekends with them are the best. Sometimes we cook together. Mom takes charge of the main dish, and Dad fires up the grill or tosses the salad. Then we sit down to eat, talk about our week, and just enjoy being together. After dinner, we might watch a movie or play a board game. I love those moments filled with laughter and love. They've always encouraged me to chase my dreams. When I told them I wanted to study environmental science, they didn't hesitate. They were proud, really proud. And they still ask about my classes, my projects, and how I'm feeling. Sure, we've had our disagreements, just like any family. But we always talk things through, respectfully. My parents have taught me how to communicate, how to be honest, and how to be kind even when it's difficult. I know I'm lucky. Not everyone has this kind of bond with their parents, and I never take it for granted. They've given me everything I could have asked for: love, support, wisdom, and strength. I just hope one day I can be as strong, as kind, and as loving as they are. Thank you, Mom and Dad. for everything.